Hello guys, in this video I will tell you some things like talk about myself, my hometown, the place I wish to visit. I will also describe a person and an item. And before that, I want to apologize if my English is bad because I'm not good at speaking English. Happy watching guys. Hello, introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Hanif. I come from the city of Bandar Lampung. Now I live in Bandung to continue my education at the Polytechnic of Bandung in Department of Informatics Engineering. My age is 18 years old. I have a height of about 167 centimeters, and I have a thin body with a weight of about 57 kilograms. I am the second child of three siblings. I have a younger brother and older brother. They are 9 years old and 24 years old. I have many hobbies, including playing soccer because I am good at playing soccer. Uh, then watching football, especially watching Real Madrid and Indonesia national team at the senior level, since coached by Sintayong. I also have hobby of swimming, especially diving. My friend and I used to often swim in the Unila swimming pool. It is a swimming pool owned by the University of Lampung. Uh, I really like swimming there because there is a pool that has a depth of 5 meters. I often dive to the bottom and stay silent or do other things down there. I feel a deep comfort and pressure away when in there. Then I also like to go or watch someone. I like it because sometimes we can see to see the person talking, even talk he doesn't speak. Then my goal is actually to become a special force such as Denjaka, Dentasemen Jalamangkara, Kopaska, Komando Pasukan Katak, Taifib Intai Amfibi from the Navy Army, or Kopassus or Paskas from the Air Force. But for some reason, I choose not to continue my goal, and now because I am an informatics engineering student, my goal until now is back-end developer or data analyst. Uh, and then my school of origin is Madrasah Aliyah Negeri 2 Bandar Lampung. There I found my best friend. I was in their class for 3 years with the same friends. My class contains 10 boys and 20 26 girls. I have friends who are very funny and very excited. Every day we joke and talk about other people. We often laugh because of each other and not infrequently we also laugh because we don't understand the teacher explanation, especially in science lessons. But we can always do the assignment from the teacher because we 10 men always help in the lesson. We are good we are good at such as me who understand religious studies. Then there are my friends who are good at English, at mathematics, science, and others. We always work together in doing assignment and tests. After school, we don't go straight home. We always gather at the house of our friend who is close to school. We often call him Warlim or WS. There are always There we always chat about many things, such as football, the future, history, personal problems, or class problems, and of course, women's problems. We often chat about many things there. For me, high school was my best period until now. Uh, I found my best friend there, and I think no one can replace them. Okay, the next I will describe my place of origin, Lampung. Lampung is located at the edge of South Sumatra. The natural atmosphere in Lampung is very beautiful and not too cold like in Bandung. And then the atmosphere in the city is boring and very hot. People in Lampung, especially my friends, they like to say rude things, but they are very caring, funny, and random. But people in Lampung are used to speaking in high tones, la, uh, unlike Sundanese people who speak in low tones. But we are used to it, even though it looks like people who want to fight. But actually, we are chatting normally, or even joking, even with a very high tone of speech, and it has become a common thing in Lampung. The specialty food of Lampung is banana chips with various flavors. Landmark in Lampung is Siger, that is like a crown. If you go to Lampung by boat from the Merak port to Bakauheni port, you will see a cigar-shaped building located in the Kalianda area and located in a fairly high place. And you usually tourists go to Lampung to go Kiulan Bay for see and take photo with dolphins, and they can go to waterfall like Curug Wangsa Waterfall, Talang Rabun Waterfall, and Putri Malu Waterfall. Moreover, they can go to beach like Labuan Jukung Kroy Beach, Gigi Hiu Beach, Mariana Beach, and more, because Lampung does have a lot of beach. And then they can go to small island like Pahawang Island, Sebesi Island, Mahitam Island. Uh, Mahitam Island is very beautiful and has its own memories for me, because my classmates and I went there to play and deep talk before we parted ways to continue our studies and other respectively. And then the place I want to visit is Santiago Bernabeu Stadium, which is in Spain, precisely in Madrid city. Santiago Bernabeu is a soccer stadium owned by Real Madrid. The stadium was first founded in 1947 under the name New Chamartin. The renovated and renamed Santiago Bernabeu in 1955. Santiago Bernabeu is the name of a Spanish man who dedicated his entire life to Real Madrid. He was a former player, assistant coach, and club president who led Real Madrid to global respect. And he was the one who initiated the renovation of the stadium. Construction of the Santiago Bernabeu Stadium began before the end of World War II and developed into the most famous soccer stadium in the world. This is inspirable from Real Madrid, uh, visionary view of the future of the club by continuing to develop its home stadium. Now, the Santiago Bernabeu is the third largest football stadium in Europe, The Santiago Bernabeu is currently the stadium for Real Madrid and the Spain's national team. And the Santiago Bernabeu has just completed a 1 billion pound sterling renovation. And now the stadium has a roof that can be opened and closed as needed. Has a capacity to accommodate 81,000 spectators, and the stadium is very multifunctional, not only for football match, but can also be used for music concert or other performance and other sports, because the Santiago Bernabeu can store grass to play football in the ground with several levels, and of course sophisticated tools to maintain the quality of the grass. Not only that, here we can also do a room tour to see history, trophies, and changing room, and much more, which is a dream for me, be able to watch live Real Madrid match at the Santiago Bernabeu and see five 15 UEFA Champions League trophy Real Madrid, which is the team that has the most UEFA Champions League trophies. The next, I will describe my favorite football player, who of course comes from my favorite club, which is Real Madrid. He is Toni Kroos. He was born on 4 January 1990 in East Germany. He has a height of 182 centimeters. He has a light skin color. He has tattoos on his body, and he also has brown hair. He started his professional football career at Bayern Munich from 2007 to 2014. He plays as a central midfielder or uh, central attack midfielder. At Bayern Munich, he managed to score 24 goals and 49 assists at Bayern Munich. Then he also got a lot of achievements, namely getting 10 trophies, one of which was the Champions League trophy, which is the most prestigious competition in Europe. Then in 2014, he also won the World Cup with the German national team. Because of his excellent performance in the World Cup, then he got an offer from Real Madrid and he accepted it. While at Real Madrid, his career greatly improved, where he and Real Madrid won the UEFA Champions League title 3 times in a row, or hat-trick UCL, namely in 20, 2016, 2017, and 2018, which he said was his biggest achievement, because no club other than Real Madrid could win the UEFA Champions League 3 times in a row. At the time, Real Madrid did have a team that was very feared in Europe. Besides that, he also managed to win the UEFA Champions League again with Real Madrid, namely in 2022 and 2024. After that, he decided to retire from football. He wanted to retire when he was at his best performance. He retired at the age of uh, 34. During his career, he managed to get 34 trophies in his professional career. which among these trophies are one World Cup trophy, six UEFA Champions League trophy, and six FIFA Club World Cup trophy. Uh, and he became the player with the most UEFA Champions League trophies and FIFA Club World Cup trophies in football history to that. Uh, his role in Real Madrid is very crucial, as evidence when he no longer play for Real Madrid. Now Real Madrid seems confused to replace the role of Toni Kroos. Real Madrid seems to have lost someone who organized the game. Toni Kroos is famous for his calms and his expertise in making passes, both long passes and cross passes. He is the person who determines and organizes the game of Real Madrid. He is a legend and no one can replace him. That's why I admire him so much. Okay, the last one I will describe an item that I have, namely a jacket. I'm a person who really likes to use jacket, whether it's go to school, mall, movie theater, play with friends, or just for walking and others. I have many jackets, and of course, I have a favorite jacket, and this is my favorite jacket. You can see this. The jacket is from Zara brand. He is he has a dark green color and a design that can be said to be simple, plain only. We can see there are no pictures or writing on this jacket. Wait a minute. I will wear the jacket. This jacket has two pockets to store something on the left and right side that can be closed because it has button on each pocket. And this you see, you can see this. Uh, and then on the left and right hands, uh, this jacket has two buttons that can be worn and removed. Uh, then on the neck we can wait. Then on the neck we find one button to close the neck, uh, and two more buttons other to make this jacket neat if in button one the neck is not used, so that I makes this jacket have a collar. Then this jacket has resleting on to close uh, the body if desired. Button and resisting material used in this jacket is metal material. Yes, that's all the components of my jacket. No whiting, no pictures, just plain dark green that fills all the outside of this jacket. This jacket can be closed like this, and open it like this. But I prefer to use it open like this. Uh, and then even though it looks simple, that is the reason why I like this jacket, because of it is simple appearance. There is no writing, no image, but the makes this jacket not stand out when worn. And in my opinion, that is what causes this jacket to be elegant and look cool when worn, and of course because those who wear it are also handsome and cool. Therefore, in my opinion, this jacket is very suitable for me because it is both elegant and cool and looks calm, simple but elegant. And they and this, okay guys, that's my video that tells about myself, my hometown, and place I want to visit. And I also tell about Toni Kroos, a Real Madrid legend who I admire. And lastly, I describe my favorite jacket. At the end of this video, I would like to say thank you for watching my video. And I want to apologize for speaking bad English. And this video is not very good. Thank you guys. See you again.